Okay, dear brothers and sisters, actually this is the spirit that we have to show to the world, that as being a student community, this is entire student community of EFL University have come together to declare solidarity with Gaza Palestine people. Now this is a time for actually having a kind of togetherness. I am leaving this session actually for all of you. Those who want to talk something, you can come and declare your solidarity with that, irrespective of your religion, caste, gender, everything. Okay, the Geeta Hariharan, actually she has come for that seminar conducted by English department. We met her and she didn't get time, otherwise she would have been here with us. Anyway, she declared her solidarity with Gaza, and she has given a message to read out in this function. I am reading out it. Iflu for Gaza. The people of Gaza have suffered life under siege for years now. Schools cannot run. Life-saving medicines are in short supply. Normal life, what everyone deserves, is impossible. We in India cannot remain silent as Israel violates international law time and again. As people of conscience, we should pressurize Israel to stop using Gaza as a laboratory for its military arsenal. Second, persuade Israel to recognize that the world will not tolerate its occupation of Palestine lands and its apartheid policies. And third, tell our own government that India must not conduct business as usual with Israel, whether through increasing military, trade, educational or cultural ties. Geeta Hariharan.
Yeah, she's a novelist.
Geeta Hariharan is a novelist and a member of the Indian campaign for the academic and cultural boycott of Israel. There is a committee that boycott Israel. She is a member of an Indian representative of that committee. Okay, this is the time for you. You can come up and talk.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। हम यहाँ पे 2 मिनट के लिए आपके सामने हाजिर हुए हैं। आप सबको मालूम है कि फिलिस्तीन आज जुल्म और जबर के जो है दहलीज से गुजर रहा है और इसराइल उस पर आए दिन जुल्म करते जाता है। आपने देखा कि छोटे बच्चों को कत्ल करना या औरतों को कत्ल करना, ये किसी मजहब में या किसी रिलीजन में ये रवा नहीं है, ये जायज़ नहीं है। मगर उसके बावजूद हम देखते हैं कि सारी ताकतों, सारी आवाज़ों के बावजूद इसराइल आए दिन अपने जुल्म को बढ़ावा देते जा रहा है। हमें बहुत अफसोस के साथ ये कहना पड़ रहा है कि बराक ओबामा जब दोबारा री इलेक्टेड हुए तो सारी दुनिया को ये उम्मीद उठी थी कि जो काम अपने वो पहले टर्म में नहीं कर सके, शायद वो दूसरे टर्म में वो काम कर सकेंगे। मगर जब बराक ओबामा ने ये कहा कि इसराइल को अपने दिफा का हक़ है, तो हम सबको बहुत अफसोस हुआ कि अब भी वो जुल्म के ख़िलाफ़ आवाज़ उठाने की ताकत नहीं रखते हैं। अब हम यहाँ पे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से ये कहना चाहेंगे कि इंडिया चूँकि हमेशा से मजलूमों की मदद करती रही है, जालिमों का पंजा मरोड़ते रही है, इंडिया हमेशा मजलूमों का साथ रही है, इसलिए हम इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से ये चाहेंगे कि वो इसराइल से अपने सफारती ताल्लुकात मुनक़ते करे। जिस तरह के उनके ताल्लुकात बने हुए थे वो उन्हें तोड़े और मजलूमों के साथ वो खड़ा हो। हम अपने EFL कम्युनिटी से यही पैगाम देना चाहते हैं, यही मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि इंडिया जो एक बड़ी ताकत है और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी बड़ी ताकत बन के उभरेगी, वो इस सिलसिले में खामोश रह करके जालिम की मदद ना करे, बल्कि आप अपनी आवाज़ को ऊंची करके मजलूम की मदद करे। बस हम इन्हीं बातों के साथ अपनी बात ख़त्म करते हैं।
Excuse me, I mean, our girlfriends are actually their sisters. Let them come actually to the front of this. And next, okay, Sadish ke TSA. Please come forward.
Good evening, friends. With revolutionary greetings, I, on behalf of Telangana Students Association and the entire community of Telangana, declare our solidarity with the Gaza people. As my friend said, America, which did not do its complete portion in the first term, is continuing its legacy of attacking Afghanistan and all these things. This is the term for Israel. I don't think they are saviors of the world or all these things. It is the imperialistic agenda which they are implementing. Barack Obama is not an exception in that. So it is time for all the oppressed identities to stand and say that, look, America, you are not the leader of the world. You are actually the killer of humanity. You are actually the killer of humanity. You are killer of everybody. For your selfish, economic or any other motives, you are killing the entire humanity on the world. So we are not here to tolerate, or we are no longer going to stay silent and stay calm. But we will resist, we will fight against your imperialistic agendas, whatever it may be. We have our universal brotherhood. Is it for Gaza or the people in rural Adivasi areas? We stand against you and we will fight till the justice is achieved. And on behalf of Telangana Student Association, I declare our solidarity, and we will be part of this struggle at any extent. Free, free Gaza! Free, free Gaza! Gaza, you are not alone! Gaza, you are not alone! I love Gaza! I love Gaza! We love Gaza! We love Gaza! Thanks, friends.
Please, next, Ria D. Please come forward. She's there, right?
Ria Day.